Hi teachers, do you see all these books? This is literally just like a tiny section of my library that is in my closet over there and in my garage over there. I have 101 lesson plans hidden on this very channel, and I was planning on either turning them into cartoons for you or re-recording, but you and I know that I don't want to spend my Christmas making lesson plans, do you? So I have a way where you're not going to have to make lesson plans over the holidays, because I'm going to start an extremely inexpensive membership plan for you to see all of my hidden videos. A lot of them I forgot to properly introduce myself if you're new here. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I have an MFA in acting from NYU, and I've been teaching acting to kids and teens for over 30 years. Every place I move, I usually open up a in-person studio. My last one was called TADA Acting Studio, Tehachapi Academy of Dramatic Arts in Tehachapi, California. I also used to be a pilot season acting coach out in in LA. I also did that when I lived in Kansas City. And I have so much to offer that I don't want to just delete or hide, and I'm gifting it to you in this very inexpensive membership plan. A lot of them are audios, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the transcript of that audio, load it as a PDF so that can be your lesson plan for the day, and then you're going to listen to it, watch along the PDF, have the PDF to print out to take to your classes that day. I literally spent an hour and a half on the phone last weekend, maybe it's already 2 weeks by now, with a teacher from New York who called me for advice and mentorship. And this is gonna be for you too. I'm gonna tag him in it. You don't wanna spend all your time making lesson plans in this subject of the arts when you're actually also teaching something else like social studies or math or whatever. I get it. We should pay you way more for what you do, by the way. So listen to all the audio lessons. I'll make a PDF of them based on the transcript. I'm not gonna re-record anything right now.
I'm not gonna make them into cartoons like I had planned,
because that was all like, oh my gosh, hurting my brain. But those are 101 lesson plans. You could conceivably not have to make any lesson plans in the arts for the whole rest of the year. Just download the PDFs, follow the audio lesson, wake up that morning like, oh, what does Miss Dawnnie have for us today? Listen to it on the way to work. Boom, you've got your PDFs. I'm so excited for you. The link to join will be down below. I'll see you on the inside of that one.